if there is no data, then you tell the user that, oh, there is nothing in the file specified, please add content. So let's do that quickly. All right, so now we read and then store this. We say what? We've opened, and then this is our file name, which is data.txt in read mode. R stands for read as file. Now we said content should be equal to file.read. What you are going to read should be stored in content, and this is our file data.txt. This is our file data.txt. There is it. It is an empty file. Alright, so now I'm coming to this place. Okay, so now let's read it and see what happens. We've read and then we store in content. So now we are going to say that if when we read there is content, there is something in the file, what do? Then we try to delete the content that is in the file. So we are going to delete the content that is in the file. Well, how do we delete that? By this time around, we are going to make it in what? Write mode, because we want to overwrite whatever that is going to be in the file. All right, so content deleted successfully. Content deleted successfully. So here what we are saying is that we've opened data.txt, which is our txt file, and you said in write mode. And this one will help us to be able to clear whatever that is in the file. You see, we are not storing anything, we're not writing anything, we just open it, then we run this. And when we run this, it automatically clears everything that is in the file. And we say pass, which means don't do anything, just pass, and then come here and print this one, and that is all. It will end the execution here. Alright, so what about if there is nothing in the file? What should be done? Then we say what? Else. Alright, so that is what happens. So now we are saying that if there is nothing, then we should print what? There is nothing to be deleted. Please add content. That is what we plan to do. Then let's quickly run our program and see what happens. Okay, so there is nothing to be deleted. Please add content. And the reason is because of this. You see, there is nothing here. So let me see if you are going to add something. Let me say we are going to add this data. Then we go back and run our code and see. So when I run, you see here, we say what? Content deleted successfully. And then when you go back to the txt file, you see there is nothing there. So that is how it works.